Southern Machinery S7020 High-Speed Odd Form and TE Real Terminal Insertion Machine, one machine solution for PCB assembly. Are high labor costs and complex component insertion slowing down your PCB assembly line? The traditional approach often requires multiple specialized machines or manual labor to handle the diverse components needed for modern electronics, such as TE real terminals and challenging odd-form components like radial taped capacitors. This fragmentation drives up operational expenses, increases maintenance complexity, and caps your production speed. One machine can replace at least 10 laborers, illustrating the scale of the problem. Furthermore, if you are using older equipment, you face higher maintenance costs, potentially reaching $500 monthly for spare parts. Southern Machinery introduces the S7020 series insertion machine, engineered for components with special shapes and dimensions. This machine delivers a full series of functions through a unified structure and unified software. Specifically, the S7020 platform allows you to realize multiple insertion capabilities, from TE real terminal insertion, S7020T function, to odd form insertion, S7020F function, all within a single machine. You only need to switch the feeder and gripper to adapt the machine for tasks like handling terminal components in real package or inserting standard odd-form components. The S7020 series provides a super cost-effective solution. Its price is only 1/3 of the universal machine and 30% lower than other brands, offering significant savings up front. Operation is straightforward. Mastery can be achieved with just 1 day of training. The machine offers impressive speed, up to 12,000 CPH for terminal components and 5,000 CPH for odd-form components. The system includes vision programming and a clinching base that provides PCB support and a mischeck function. If the insertion is not successful, the detection system stops the machine and reports an error, ensuring quality control. The insertion angle is flexible at 360 degrees. Southern Machinery prioritizes reliable operation and comprehensive support. The machine is designed for faster speed and lower maintenance cost, claiming, "I'll never say tired, just need regular maintenance." We offer 7x24 worldwide support and free installation and training. When time is critical, we guarantee a 1-day lead time for spare parts. Our machines are utilized across demanding sectors, including home appliance, car, power, and digital watches. With the flexibility of changing feeders for components packaged in real or bulk, the S7020 adapts to your production needs. Stop paying for multiple machines and high labor expenses. Realize maximum throughput with minimum footprint. Welcome inquiry. To explore how the S7020 odd form insertion machine can revolutionize your smart EMS factory PCB assembly, visit www.smhelp.com or reach out to us today. Email info@smhelp.com to get more information.